Come bake with me at Bake BSM Aura. We booked a super fun DIY baking experience sa Klook, and I am excited to share my personal review. This is the package that we booked for 1,999 or 999.5 pesos per head. Ito pa yung other package na pwede mo pagpilian. You can also use my promo code na Karen Enrique Klook para maka-discount ka. Tara, quick tour naman tayo sa Bake Bee Studio. The moment that you walk in, you will be greeted by their friendly staff, cute and aesthetic interior, and everything you need from oven, tools, mixer na KitchenAid, ang social diba, up to ingredients. Ito pa pala yung best part. No experience required. It's definitely a beginner-friendly activity. Next, meron silang provided na iPad with the Bakebee app. It will guide you through each step from start to finish ng baking process. And lastly, meron din silang chef or cake experts to assist you. FYI, pwede mo rin palang iuwi yung cake na binake mo. My verdict, 10 out of 10. If you're looking for a fun, unique, and hands-on activity with friends and family, i-book nyo na to sa Klook. Happy baking, everyone!